How to delete community in WhatsApp. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to delete a WhatsApp community. So all you need to do right here is to open your WhatsApp app. So once you actually open your WhatsApp app, all you need to do is to head over to the community section. So once you click on the community section right now, all you need to do is to select the community you want to delete. So I'm going to be selecting this community for the purpose of this video. So all you need to do right here is to head over to this menu icon. So once you click on this menu icon, all you need to do right here is to click on where it says group info. So once you click on where it says group info, all you need to do is to scroll down a bit right here. Then you're going to see this option where it says remove from community, or you could actually exist from the group. So all you need to do right is just click on remove from community. Then you're actually going to be ticking on this icon right here. So once you tick this icon, just click on remove. So once you actually click on remove right here, you can see right here that the community is going to be removed successfully. If you actually head over to our WhatsApp, you can see right here that the community is no longer there again. So that's how you could actually remove or delete a community on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful to you. So if you know it was, please don't forget to like the video, and also don't forget to smash the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. And I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video.